Welcome to aminacademy.com. In physics, let us talk about kinematics. In mechanics, the, in mechanics, the kinematics is one of the branches. Let us see what is mechanics. Mechanics is one of the oldest and important branches of physics. Mechanics is a very powerful tool in modern automobiles and spacecraft design. In mechanics, there are main two types, kinetics and kinematics. First, kinetics. Relationship the motion between the motion of bodies and forces acting on them. Kinematics is relationship between the displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time of a given motion without considering the forces that causes the motion. Various definition of kinematics. First, particle. A particle is ideally just a piece or a quantity of matter having practically no linear dimensions but only a positions. It is very difficult to define a particle because the definition says there is no linear dimensions, but it have only a position. Next one, rest. A body does not change its position with respect to time is called that body is at rest. Motion, change of a position of an object with respect to time, means a moving car, aeroplane, whatever it's moving from with respect to time, it's called in motion. Motion in one dimensions means position of your object changes with respect to time in one coordinate axis only, means we can consider an ant is moving in straight line on the table and a car is going straight line without turning anywhere else is motion in one dimension because it moves in one direction only. In motion in two dimension, a position of an object changes with respect to time in two coordinate axis. Means suppose a car is turning in roundabout, any object moving in circular path is called two-dimensional motion because it's move in two dimensions out of three dimensions, three coordinate axis. Motion in three dimensions, position of an object changes with respect to time in all three coordinate axes. Consider a flight flying in a sky, so it changes every directions with respect to time, maybe in x or y or z direction at any time. Motion of an object in one direction is called rectilinear motion, which is a motion along a straight line is called a rectilinear motion. Important parameters changes are in rectilinear motion is its position, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. All combined together forms a rectilinear motion. We will discuss in next videos about detail about position, displacement, velocity, and acceleration of any bodies.